Welcome to another edition of the Reproposed Journalist. I'm a journalist.
So am I.
How do I know for sure?
You do not. You have to trust me. I am a journalist.
I am a journalist. I trust no one until I can get verification. And I need at least 2 sources.
2 sources? Wow, you must be a journalist. I'm sorry I doubted you.
That is okay, at least you are not a... What is the word? Blogger? At least you are not one of those blogger people.
I think you are a blogger.
How dare you call me that?
I can call you whatever I want. I am a journalist.
Yes, but you need sources. So far it is just what you are saying. Show me proof.
I do not have proof. Okay, what the hell? I admit it. I am a blogger. But I am all over this new media. I make up most of the stuff I post when I am sitting alone at my computer in my bathrobe.
I knew it. Journalists have instincts.
Well, since I am a blogger, I have a short attention span. The time has come for me to tell you why we are on this Reproposed Journalist blog.
I think we are here to answer the question of whether web video is provocative or pathetic. Okay, tell me.
Oh, I think we've answered that question, don't you?
Yes, I am sure that we have. And I think that you are pathetic.
You are pathetic. I used to work with an anchor like you.
You did not. You are making this stuff up again.
Of course I am. I am a blogger. I only changed out of my bathrobe and put on this baseball cap so I could come down to the station and audition for a job as a journalist. Well, that is all the time we have on this edition of the Reproposed Journalist. I think it is time to say goodnight.
Good night, blogger.
Good night, journalist.